Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, there is a good news here. So Thinkitive, which is a software company, is going to hire 2018, 19, 20 and 21 pass out. So friends, this is a golden opportunity for all the students of graduation year 18, 19, 20 and 21. So friends, this link will be given in the description, as well as please join our Telegram group so that you will be getting all the updates. So friends, I will be also telling you how to apply for this and what are the eligibility criteria. So please watch the video till the end. So friends, you can see trainee software engineer. So Thinkitive is a leading technology company providing world-class solution to clients all over the world. We are currently hiring for the fresher in Pune who are aspiring to launch a career in the IT industry. Now, what is the eligibility criteria? So friends, BE BTech, ME MTech in computer science and information technology. So it is very clear that they do not want a student from mechanical, civil, electrical and other branches except computer science and information technology, or MCA pass out in the year 18, 19, 20 and 21 only. So what are the skills required, friends? So a strong communication and interpersonal skills, problem solving approach, software development, programming, data structure and front end knowledge. So friends, these are the skills which is required for this. And job description, so a strong problem solving skills, should be a quick learner. Candidates should have good knowledge of logical and designing concept. So friends, fundamental of C, C++ and OOPS concept is must. Okay. And friends, being a computer science or IT background, definitely you'll have a knowledge of C, C++ and OOPS. Knowledge of HTML, JavaScript and CSS is required. Front end CSS framework like Foundation or Bootstrap. Good to have knowledge of Spring and Angular framework. So friends, these many skills they are asking. So nobody can be perfect in all those things. But if you have a knowledge of C, C++ and OOPS, then you have a good chance. Good to have. Okay. Then good understanding of JavaScript, familiar with database, defect fixing and performance optimization. So friends, after seeing the job description and the requirement, so this person will be definitely, this would be all rounder. Okay, so he should have knowledge of all the programming language, which is not possible. So friends, you see, you apply for that and later on you see what exactly they're gonna ask. Interview process. So friends, you have one online assessment test, that is coding round, and then technical interview. So two technical interviews are there, and then managerial round and HR round. Okay. And friends, so when the exam will be conducted, that information has not been said now. So once you apply, then you will be able to get the next procedure through your email. Okay. So again, they have mentioned the same thing. So we are going to hire for the freshers in Pune, and it is open for computer science, information technology, right? Okay. Now, so what is your name? So you can fill your name here, friends. Okay. So I will just mention my name, Pratik Srivastava. Okay. And gender is male. So it is very important. Okay. And then your email address. So friends, apply for all the jobs. And as I have told, your resume should be very good. Okay. So BE BTech. And then a specialization. So computer science. Okay. And then graduation, post graduation pass out year. So you can fill 18, 19, 20 or 21. Okay. And what is your aggregate year? So 89% something I'm filling. Okay. Now hometown, so Bangalore, and contact number. So this is our contact number, right? Okay. And what is Skype name? So I'll just mention some random. Okay. So Pratik Care. Submit cover letter or resume. So I will upload it from okay, select file from your device. Okay. So on the desktop I usually keep, okay, so Pratik Kumar resume. Okay, that has been attached, and now upload. So it is successfully uploaded, and then you have to click on submit. So once you click on submit, then you will be redirected to a different page. And Thinkitive, so hiring for freshers, thank you for applying at Thinkitive Technology, right? So friends, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe, because I don't want you to miss any kind of opportunity by any of the software company. Thank you, friends.